Assalamualaikum, little stars. Today we are going to learn a beautiful dua called Taawwuz. First, let's read it together. A'udhu Billahi Minash-Shaytanir-Rajeem. See its English meaning. I seek protection in Allah from Shaitan, the rejected one. Now let's learn. When we say Taawwuz before reading the Holy Quran. It's a beautiful dua asking Allah to protect us from Shaitan. Now it's time to repeat together. Let's say it 3 times so it becomes easy to remember. Repeat after me. A'udhu Billahi Minash-Shaytanir-Rajeem. A'udhu Billahi Minash-Shaytanir-Rajeem. A'udhu Billahi Minash-Shaytanir-Rajeem. Wow, excellent! You did a wonderful job. Keep practicing every day and soon you will remember it by heart. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.